Have you ever felt unseen, unheard, or maybe even forgot? Have you ever wondered if your life, your mistakes, your past, your struggles could possibly matter to God? If so, listen closely, because the message at the heart of Jesus Christ's mission speaks directly to you. The Gospel of Luke records a declaration so clear, so powerful, that it echoes across generations. The Son of Man came to seek and to save the lost, Luke 19:10. Not to condemn, not to shame, not to reject, but to seek and to save. Today we explore that mission, why Jesus came, what he came to do, and what it means for us right now. When Jesus walked the dusty roads of ancient Israel, he didn't surround himself with the elite or the admirable. He didn't search for the self-righteous, and he didn't build a following based on perfection. Instead, he sought out those the world had written off, those who were overlooked, broken, or burdened by guilt. His mission was not passive. He didn't sit in a temple waiting for people to come to him. He came to them. He entered their stories. He stepped into their pain. He called them by name. Because the heart of Jesus beats with a rescuing love. Think for a moment about that word seek. Seeking is intentional. It requires movement, searching, pursuit. And this is exactly what Jesus did. He pursued humanity with a love so relentless that it crossed heaven's threshold to meet us where we are. One of the clearest pictures of his mission appears in the story of Zacchaeus, a wealthy tax collector despised by his community. Tax collectors in the Roman Empire were known for deception, manipulation, and greed. They weren't just disliked, they were considered traitors. Yet Jesus chose him. As Zacchaeus climbed a tree just to catch a glimpse of Christ, something extraordinary happened. Jesus looked up, not down at him, and called him by name. "Zacchaeus, come down immediately. I must stay at your house today." This moment stunned everyone watching. Why would Jesus spend time with a man like that? Why would he choose someone so obviously flawed, someone who had taken so much from others, someone so spiritually lost? But that's the point. He came exactly for people like Zacchaeus. And he comes exactly for people like us. After witnessing Zacchaeus' transformation, Jesus proclaimed his mission openly. The Son of Man came to seek and to save the lost. Not the polished. Not the perfect. Not the self-sufficient. But the lost, those who know they need rescue. Many people think Jesus came to point out our failures, to condemn us, to highlight everything we've done wrong, but Scripture reveals something profoundly different. Jesus didn't come with a spotlight of judgment, he came with a lantern of hope. His message was not, "Look what you've done." It was, "Look what I've come to do." He didn't treat sin lightly, but he treated sinners lovingly. He didn't excuse brokenness, but he stepped into it. He didn't ignore our condition, but he refused to leave us in it. Imagine a shepherd searching for a lost sheep. Imagine a woman turning her house upside down for a missing coin. Imagine a father running toward a returning son before the boy can even explain himself. These are the pictures Jesus used to describe God's heart. A shepherd who seeks. A woman who searches. A father who embraces. This is who God is, and this is why Jesus came. But what does it really mean to be lost? Being lost is not about geography, it's about the heart. It is the feeling of being disconnected from hope, from purpose, from God himself. It's the ache of knowing something is missing, and not knowing how to find the way back. Some people are lost in shame. Some are lost in pride. Some are lost in addictions, doubts, fear, or regret. Others are lost in the belief that they're too far gone. But Jesus says, "I see you, I know where you are, and I've come for you." He doesn't wait for us to clean ourselves up. He doesn't say, "Fix your life, then come find me." No, he enters the place where we've wandered. He steps into the very darkness we thought would hide us forever. And he calls us home. The rescue Jesus offers is not just forgiveness, it's transformation. Zacchaeus didn't simply say he believed, his life changed. He opened his hands. He restored what he had taken. He traded greed for generosity and corruption for compassion. Why? Because when Jesus seeks you, and when he saves you, everything inside you is made new. His rescue rewrites stories. It restores what sin stole. It reclaims what shame buried. It renews what guilt destroyed. We don't just receive a fresh start, we receive a new heart. And here's the truth that still stands today. If you feel lost, Jesus is seeking you. If you feel weighed down, Jesus wants to lift you. If you feel unworthy, Jesus sees value in you. If you feel too broken, Jesus specializes in restoration. You are not invisible. You are not forgotten. You are not beyond reach. Jesus did not come to condemn you. He came to rescue you. And the fact that you're hearing these words right now may be closer to divine pursuit than coincidence. Because his mission is personal. His invitation is for you. And his love still seeks today. So wherever you are in your story, whether standing tall, crawling forward, or clinging to hope by a thread, remember this promise: the Son of Man came to seek and to save the lost. And that means he came for you. Thank you for watching. If this message encouraged you, inspired you, or helped you see Jesus' love in a new way, make sure to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and share it with someone who needs this reminder today. Your journey matters. Your story matters. And the one who came to seek and save is still seeking today.